Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be discussing the 2024 Royal Arms, produced by the Royal Mint. These coins feature the British Royal Coat of Arms, celebrating the rich heritage of the British monarchy. The coins are available in 1 ounce gold, 1 ounce silver, and 10 ounce silver. The reverse shows a depiction of the Royal Arms by the veteran Royal Mint designer and heraldic artist Timothy Node. Additionally, the Lion of England and the Unicorn of Scotland can be seen at opposite sides of the arms. This design features the floral emblems of each of the 4 nations of the United Kingdom. A Tudor rose for England, a leek for Wales, a thistle for Scotland, and a shamrock for Ireland appear at the bottom of the Royal Coat of Arms of the United Kingdom. Each of these coins reverse bears an inscription stating the weight, purity, and the date of the coin. The obverse of the coin features the uncrowned portrait and first UK definitive coinage portrait of King Charles III, designed by Martin Jennings. The inscription reads, Charles III, DG, Rex, FD, followed by the face value. Ordering from Charts ensures you are investing through a Royal Mint official partner and distributor and proud member of the LBMA. To make your investment, click the link in our bio or call 01253 343 081 to speak to a member of our wonderful customer service team. Thank you for watching. For more information on these coins, please sign up to our mailing list by clicking the links below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram, X, Facebook and Threads.